How to create actionable intelligence regarding your true purpose in life. Actionable intelligence is a term that is used in warfare, in surveillance, and in business. It simply means that you have information that is actionable. When an organization is tracking a fugitive, they need to find out the fugitive's location. They might have ideas as to where this could be. They might even have had some feedback from people who have seen them. But it's not until they have eyes on and a confirmed sighting that they can move their troops in. That's actionable intelligence. And this is how you need to think when you are approaching your goals and your life purpose. Because we all get feelings from time to time. We all get ideas of what we'd like to be. Every now and then, we have a complete turnaround and decide we want to do something altogether different. But these are not examples of actionable intelligence. These are just hunches, notions, ideas. And thus, they don't lead to any real change. So the question is, how do you go from these ideas to actionable intelligence? When do you decide to change jobs? When do you invest in all the equipment you need for that new hobby? Ultimately, it comes down to knowing what you want and being certain, but it also means giving up the risk. Because knowing your passion and going after the things that will make you happiest always means taking a risk. It usually means quitting your job. It might mean alienating friends, or it might mean putting all your eggs in one basket. And the key is to be so excited and so passionate for what you want in life that you are willing to take that risk. And that is how you really know if you've found your purpose. If you weren't going to get paid, would you be happy to do this for the rest of your life? Would you be happy to do this and risk being poor? Would you rather do this thing for the rest of your life and never find conventional success? If so, then you have found your calling. And now, of course, you will still need to find money and eat and feed your family. But who said that your passion and your job had to be one and the same? The most important part is finding that purpose. The rest is up to you.